A devastating fire broke out in North Goa's Arpora area at a popular nightclub, claiming almost 25 lives, out of which 4 are confirmed tourists, whereas 14 of them were the staff working at the nightclub, whereas rest 7 of the deceased identity is currently being established and identified to prove whether they were tourists or the staff working at the nightclub. At present, a high-level inquiry has been ordered by the Goa government, where Chief Minister Pramod Sawant too reached the spot as soon as the incident occurred, after which he ensured that all the necessary help will be provided to the injured in the matter. So far, 7 of the injured are currently being treated at the Goa Medical Hospital, as well as an amount of ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees has been announced for the deceased in the matter by the Prime Minister Relief Fund, whereas an amount of 50,000 rupees will be given to the injured in the entire incident. But yet severe concerns are being raised about the safety norms of the nightclub, whether they had obtained all the safety regulations to operate the nightclub or not is currently the main angle of the probe, because we know that the preliminary information had suggested that this could have probably been a cylinder blast, but the locals there state that while the incident occurred and the fire rapidly spread, no such a noise or sound was heard that usually can be heard during a cylinder blast. So what could be the main reason is currently being investigated, but usually in such nightclubs there are these chemicals as well as the firecrackers that are stored usually for celebrations, and because it is the peak month of November and December, in which a huge number of tourists they gather in Goa to celebrate and welcome the new year, it could be that there could be these chemicals and firecrackers stored in the basement where the staff members too were present, which are usually brought up during celebrations. Was it the cause of fire in the incident is to be probed at this point, but yes, it is an unfortunate incident where 25 of these lives are lost. What exactly was happening at the nightclub? Was it because of the inadequate presence of emergency exits in these clubs, because of which people had no way out and they eventually had to suffocate by staying within the premises because of the hefty smoke and blaze that caused their life? And currently the post-mortem procedure is underway, and after which the main cause of death will be identified. But so far it is the forensic department as well as the Goa police who are trying to find out what exactly could be the reason because of which such incidents they take place. There are several of these nightclubs that operate in Goa until late night, and usually no proper permissions are obtained by these nightclubs, that leads to them not having proper safety standards. Also, was there adequate of these fire extinguishers that were present? Because usually there are these small fire incidents that take place because of the way the layout of these restaurants and these nightclubs. But in this particular restaurant, no presence of emergency exit, no presence of proper fire extinguishers led to people having no way out and eventually losing their life. So far it is the Goa government trying to crack their hands on to the main cause of the entire incident, whereas in the now also there will be a crackdown on these small nightclubs and pubs that operate in Goa without proper permissions, after which there could be a possibility of them being penalized, and thereafter asking them to obtain all the proper permissions and then only operate. But so far almost 4 of the tourists and 14 staff members, whereas 7 of the deceased, their identity is still being established. A total of 25 of these people, they lost their life in a tragic incident in Goa's Arpora area, which is situated in North Goa. Of course, a popular nightclub which had been operating since quite a number of years, having no safety norms, puts the safety of these tourists who visit Goa at risk, and because of which the owner of the nightclub will also be interrogated and inquired about how could he operate a nightclub without proper permissions, and thereafter because a high-level inquiry has been ordered into the matter by the Goa government, it is likely that stringent action will be taken against the culprits who are responsible for not obtaining proper permissions, because of which a tragic incident, a devastating incident like this occurred in Goa. And thereafter this is a clear message as well as a lesson for such of these nightclubs who work without obtaining all of the necessary documents and permissions from the municipal body, and thereafter ensuring that they only and only work and provide their services to the tourists if they have these permissions with them. Otherwise, it could lead to such tragic incident. And high level inquiry into the matter has been ordered. What remains to be seen is that what could be the main preliminary reason for the fire, for the blaze to spread so rapidly that it claimed 25 lives. From Mumbai with video journalist Rajendra Dayalkar, this is Sujata Dwivedi reporting for NDTV.